Hi, it's been a while uploading videos and stuff, and you should have had a couple of builds that I've done. I've been ill, very ill, so I've not had the energy. But today I thought I would do this. It's a small build. This is the baby Bumpy Ankylosaurus, or as I like to call him, Colombo's baby. Colombo in Fortnite, if you don't know, is similar to this, and I think it's Colombo's baby. And it's a Jurassic World set, apparently. But on the side here, if you look there, a lot of those things are actually in Lego Fortnite. So it's interesting. This would be really cool if they brought something like this to Lego Fortnite as like a buddy or something, like a pet. But anyway, the official description says, care for the cutest dinosaur ever, baby Bumpy. Build your very own baby Ankylosaurus from the Jurassic World Camp Cretaceous TV show. Wow, that's a mouthful. Stomp around with her as she chases after a friend or a snack. Play out scenes from the show, take a break and give Bumpy her favourite veggies. You can even have her guard your room until it's feeding time again. Remember, she is a growing baby dinosaur. I don't think it's growing, but you know, nice description. Very, very cool. No minifigs, just the build. And it's like, what was it, 358 pieces. 7+, and you can build it together if you want. So it says, but that's interesting. Anyway, so it's new, it's just out. Without further ado, I'm going to build it, and I'm going to listen to music and probably whistle to it and sing to it, but you won't hear, or you'll just see me doing that in full speed. Okay, see you in a bit. Okay, so we're going to start with the unboxing. Let's have a look, see. Okay, do my normal trick. If I can. There we go. And then on the sides, which is normally where it goes wrong. Yes, it's gone wrong. GG's. No problem. There we go. Alright, so, we got the paper bags. Good job. Let's see what we've got. Any stickers in there? No. I wouldn't have thought there'd be any stickers anyway. So we've got 3 bags, and we've got a little manual, which is cool. Nothing inside, no, except for just build. Okay, so we'll use the 3D software. Don't know why some people don't use it, but whatever. Okay, so this is going to be bag 1. I'll open it up now. I do like the paper bags. Oh, that's interesting. The only thing is you need to make sure that no parts are caught in the bag, because they do get caught. Inside is a plastic bag. Huh? What? Okay, so we're semi-friendly to the environment. Okay, let's open that and we're done. Okie dokie. Right. Okay, speed build time. Right, well, actually, I just recorded the review and forgot the microphone, so yeah, didn't work. Okay, so let's do this again, shall we? All right, so enjoyed the build, good fun. Nice to see it come alive. It's a she, I think it's a he, purely because I think it's Colombo's son. But anyway, whatever. Girl, boy, it's gorgeous. Love it. Very cute. Eating his carrot. There's a pumpkin. We have like a lettuce with a flower in it, kind of thing. And then we have this, which is called a vine in Lego Fortnite. So Lego Fortnite, not Lego Fortnite. But yeah, it's kind of cool. I like it. The legs are posable, but really can't do much with them, to be honest, because of weight and everything else. I mean, you could do like little bits like that. It could be, I don't know, bending down, whatever. Can't have him standing up, which is a shame. If you could, that would be cool. But yeah, you could have him like this. Whatever you want to do, really. So it'd be like, give me some food on his legs. The tail and the head are connected, so when you're standing up normally, let's go like that. Okay, so you move the head, the tail moves. Okay, and then this bit is kind of free, so you could. He's wagging his tail. You want some food? Give me food. Okay, so there's that. I'm being silly now. Ears, a little bit of posability, not much. They're on balls, so you can kind of put them out, put them in. Mouth, obviously, yes. Open and closed mouth. I love the little tongue, pink tongue, nice touch. Nice touch detail. Looks really good. But yeah, underneath not so pretty, but doesn't matter. I think this was a great set. I had fun building it. Like I say, I've been ill for the last week, so things are a bit slowed down, and this was the ideal little build to do because I'm bored at home in summer holidays for schools. Yeah, there you go. Vegetarian. Yeah, okay, it's a she in the manual, and it's from Jurassic World, but me being a Lego Fortnite and Fortnite fan, I'd say it's Colombo's son, daughter, whatever, Colombo's baby, because it looks awesome. Don't know what I'm going to do with it. Put it on display somewhere maybe, because I don't have a bunch of animals like this anyway. Could put it in the Jurassic Park set when I build that, I suppose. But yeah, give us a thumbs up if you liked it, if you enjoyed this, and subscribe if you want. You don't have to. I'm trying to reach 2,000. We're not too far away. 1,920, I think. It would be really cool to reach 2,000. And I will see you in the next one. Have a good summer. If you're on holiday, enjoy. If you're going on holiday, enjoy. If you're staying at home, enjoy. And I'll see you soon. Thank you.